Timing of Qatar finally signing $12 billion F-15 deal is widely controversial. Qatar signed a contract to buy 36 F-15QAs, via the U.S. military's Foreign Military Sales Program. The Boeing F-15QA is an all-weather multi-role strike fighter. It is designed for long-range high-speed interdiction missions without relying on escort or electronic warfare aircraft. It can carry out deep strikes against high-value targets and combat air patrols and provide close air support for coalition troops. F-15QA offers the world's most advanced technologies and delivers more payload to the fight, more speed to target and more range than any fighter in the world. This jet offers next-generation technologies including an advanced cockpit, AESA radar, digital electronic warfare suite, the world's fastest mission computer and modern sensors.